Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Julian Hernandez has been adjusting to life with a remarkable resilience. After being found in 2015, years after his disappearance as a child, Hernandez has worked towards building a normal life while maintaining privacy. His situation highlighted the complexities surrounding child abduction cases, especially those involving family members. Hernandez's journey underscores the importance of support systems, therapy, and privacy in healing and adjusting to life after such profound experiences. While specific details of his day-to-day life are kept private, his progress is a testament to the strength and adaptability of the human spirit.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.